Do you want to create your own Bitmoji? I can show you how. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here and you're looking for technology tips, tricks, and tutorials, you've come to the right place.
If you find this video helpful, subscribe.
Yesterday, I received a comment on one of my videos asking me to make a video showing how to create a Bitmoji from scratch. So today, I'm going to do that. Let's jump over to my iPad and get started. As you can see, this Snapchat account has no Bitmoji attached to it. Tap the avatar in the top left-hand corner and then tap Add Bitmoji. Tap Create Bitmoji and then tap Login with Snapchat. The first screen you'll see is this one, where you have to choose your gender. I'm going to choose male. Tap Continue. Next, you'll need to take a selfie. Place your face inside the circle and press the camera button once. The purpose of the selfie is to give you an opportunity to look at yourself when creating your avatar. The first choice you have to make is skin tone. I'm white, so I'll choose white. Use the images at the bottom of the screen to switch between options. You can also use the left and right arrows at the top of the white part of this screen. Basically, all you have to do from this point on is navigate through the different options and choose the one that best suits you until you're done. Next, you'll want to choose your hair color. Tap the hair color that works for you. Next, you'll choose your hairstyle. Again, you'll want to tap the hairstyle that most closely matches the hairstyle in your selfie. Next, you'll want to choose facial hair. I don't have any because I just shaved, but you can see there's a lot of different options to choose from. Tap the next option. Which is going to be eye shape. Tap the one that most closely resembles your selfie. Next is eye size. Next is eye spacing. Next is eye color. It's alright to try out a few different ones. Once you have it set, tap the arrow to the right hand side. Choose the next option, and then tap the right hand arrow again. Choose your eyebrow color and tap the right hand arrow. Next, choose your nose. You may want to scroll through a few of the options. Next, you can choose glasses if you wear them. I do. Tap the choice that most closely resembles your glasses. When you're done, tap the right hand arrow again. You may have noticed that my eye color changed. This is because after I recorded this video, I realized I forgot to set the eye color, went back and recorded it later. Choose the shape of your jaw. And then tap the right hand arrow. Choose your face shape. Choose your mouth. Choose your ears. Remember, this is just for fun and does not have to look exactly like you. If you want, you can also create one that looks nothing like you. Choose your cheek lines. Next, you can choose headwear if you want to. I don't wear hats. except in the winter. Next is body type. Just select the one that most closely resembles you. Within body type, you'll have more options if you choose female. I'll choose that one. Next, choose your outfit. As you can see, you have a lot of different choices. This is the step that will usually take the most time. I'm a Calgary Flames fan, so I'm going to choose a Calgary Flames outfit. To choose an outfit, simply tap the outfit that you want to wear. Scroll through the choices until you find the NHL section. Once you do, choose the Flames and tap it. At this point, you can choose whatever outfit you want. When you're done, tap the check mark in the upper right hand corner, tap Agree and Connect to connect your avatar to Snapchat. If you want to use your Bitmoji outside of Snapchat, don't forget to add the Bitmoji keyboard. Check out the Bitmoji keyboard videos in the playlist on screen now. If you have a problem with any part of this process, leave a comment below and I'll help you.
I love Mike's videos. Please subscribe to his channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.
In a moment, you'll see a few of my other videos appear on screen. Feel free to check them out. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.